Looking good for your 4th of July. Look at that sunrise. It is looking like it's going to be a hot and muggy day on the way because it will be. We'll likely see highs edging into the low 90s, but we'll also see plenty of this. So as far as any festivities that are ongoing, the Bluegrass 10,000 downtown this morning, the parade that's closer to lunchtime, I think it's 11:30ish, and then of course the fireworks later on this evening. Shouldn't be much to slow us down, and we're kind of in the sweet spot weather-wise because we've got more active weather coming. We had that round of rain at the end of the weekend, and we've got storms inbound. Now look at this, marginal to slight risk across the upper Midwest. Tomorrow, Storm Prediction Center has us in a slight to marginal risk for severe storms in the same Wednesday because these rounds diving in could be on the strong to severe side. We'll check out the evolution of those coming up. This is an interesting stat, though. Before we saw that rain overnight into Sunday morning over the weekend, for the 24 days prior to Sunday morning, we had just under a half an inch of rain. We picked that much up in about an hour's time yesterday morning between 4 to 5 a.m. as those showers and storms rumbled through. So amazing how little you can get within that much of a time frame and then see the exact same amount in about an hour. It's exactly what happened. So we have made our way back up to near 100% of our normal rainfall over the past 30 days. Now, that's just a short-term stat change. It doesn't really have a major impact on the ongoing drought, but at least it's some change there. You know, we've got some rain rolling, and we're going to start to see a better chance for showers and thunder showers really on and off through the rest of the week. So if you didn't get wet Sunday, there's more chances to do so on the way. Just an isolated shower storm today. Now, what we'll have to watch out for is the evolution of these rounds of storms, a complex of storms diving across Ohio. This is where it will most likely be severe Tuesday. But as it heads south towards West Virginia, a few of those storms may graze our counties. That's why we've still got that slight to marginal risk out for tomorrow. Damaging wind gusts are what we'll be watching out for, and then those will dive south through the afternoon. If it evolves that way, these complexes of storms can be a little tricky. They tend to do their own thing there, whether the modeling agrees with it or not. And then into Wednesday, with the frontal boundary hanging around, we could have another round into the afternoon. Some of those could be strong to severe. So it's not going to be the hottest, the wettest, the coldest 4th of July, but we will get into the low 90s. Our hottest ever was 99. That was just back in 2012. We're in the 60s now. The mugginess, it's in the low 60s, which is tolerable. I mean, you can feel the mugginess out there, but it's not to the point where it's uncomfortable or steamy. That's where we're heading. You can see that humidity taking off. So by midweek, we're up in that tropical territory, the swampy feel to the air. And when you factor in low to mid 90s, the heat index starts to play in that. For today, it's going to feel like it's in the mid to upper 90s out there. And then as that humidity spikes and we get into the mid 90s tomorrow, we could hit triple digits or even exceed them and get close to heat advisory criteria, which we've already got a heat advisory out. Western counties towards Louisville, nothing within the viewing area, but it cuts off right there. So that could actually be expanded farther east as we go through the week because we've got some hot, muggy weather on the way. Humid today into the afternoon. The mugginess will come up a touch, but still just an Independence Day with above normal warmth, but still what you would expect for this time of the year. There's that daily shower and storm chance on and off through the rest of the week, primarily driven by daytime heating into the afternoons and early evenings. And we can still see that stormy weather, slightly cooler highs heading into the weekend.